BRCA1 is a tumor suppressant protein that is present in every person. It uses different proteins and amino acids to suppress or prolong the development of malignant tumors. When mutated, it leads to many forms of cancer. The only cure for this gene mutation is a full mastectomy or hysterectomy to get rid of the chances of cancer.
The BRCA1 gene is located on chromosome 17. It has 23 exon coatings and 1,863 amino acid polypeptide bonds. This maintains the genetic stability of information within the cells. There are a few proteins in the BRCA1 gene to help repair any damage done to the DNA. Breaks in DNA are due to natural or medical radiation and any environmental exposure. BRCA1 proteins prevent rapid cellular division that can cause tumors, with help from several other proteins like the RAD51 family.
When it is mutated, the binding of the BRCA1 to the other proteins like p53 is not as strong as it needs to be, so this allows for the tumors to form.
BRCA1 has a protein structure with 4 domains that all have amino acids. The first domain is the ring structure, which includes a binding site with the protein BARD1 for protection, seen at the black line. The second domain includes exons 11 through 13, which are binding sites for mutation. Exon 11 is where over half of the mutations occur. BRCA1 is concentrated with the serine cluster domain. With concentration causes ATM and ATR kinases to be activated to repair DNA damage. This happens at the phosphorylation sites, which are the red dots. BRCT domain consists of 2 BRCT that are phosphoprotein binding and are essential for DNA repair.
My mom visited the genetic counselor and was diagnosed with the BRCA1 gene mutation 2 years ago. She now goes in for screening every 6 months, while a non-mutated person only goes in once a year. She has a lower risk than most people because she had a hysterectomy before she found out. Because she has this mutation, there is a 50% chance that I also have this mutation and that I could have a higher risk at cancer. I will be able to start going to the genetic counselor and getting screened when I am 25. Commonly, the first signs and symptoms of BRCA1 is a lump in the breast, which is usually painless. Other signs of breast cancer include an area of thickened tissue, a change in breast shape and size, and a change in nipple or nipple discharge. About 12% of women in the general population will develop breast cancer sometime during their lives. Study shows that 72% of women with the BRCA1 gene mutation will develop breast cancer by the time that they are 80. This also increases the risk of breast cancer in men, prostate cancer, and ovarian cancer in women.